Okay, so at this part, dears, this is just an additional part in gram staining, actually. So, muna siya akong teaching demo pag apply na ko sa ICLS last year. So, ako na siyang i-include. Just, additional information, pachar lang. Yes, competition ni, charot. Anyway, so these are known your special cases. Now, what do I mean by special cases? No? Special sila kay, naaslay, uyab, charot lang. Special sila in the case na these are types of bacteria, not all have, but some, who have interesting characteristics under gram staining. Or, ang uban kay dili sila mo follow sa normal nato na mga reagents na crystal violet, iodine, acetone alcohol, and then safranin. Na yung bang mga organisms na akong i-share diri na ang counterstain kay atong usborn kay para mas makita sila inana. Okay, so these are not all bacteria. Dili gini siya tanan na naay mga interesting gram staining appearances. Pero gikuha na ako itong mga medyo common. Okay, so again, these are different types of bacteria with special cases in terms of gram staining reaction nila or ilang morphologies. Okay? Alright, so first we have Acinetobacter spp. Now, Acinetobacter, it's a gram-negative, ayan, Coccobacilli. So, as you can see, wala na ako rin na-mention sa morphology atong previous video sa gram staining. But when you say Coccobacilli, of course, by the name itself, Coccobacilli, iyang appearance kay Coccus, pero pa-elongate siya gamay. And nakaget siya sa point. So, mixture siya between cocci and bacillus. So, sir, naari na? Yes, na. So, you have Coccobacilli, Acinetobacter. Another Coccobacilli is also Haemophilus. Haemophilus is a Coccobacilli. Okay? Alright? Again, dependent na siya sa iyang appearance. Meron siyang cocci, pero elongated gamay. So, meron siya, a rod is, like a bacilli is pa-elongated siya like that. But a Coccobacilli is like cocci pero paana. I don't know if kagets mo, if na difference, but yeah, Coccobacilli siya. So, Acinetobacter, again, non-fermentative, gram-negative Coccobacilli. Same na sila with Pseudomonas, okay? Actually, Acinetobacter, it's common in mga nosocomial infections, meaning mga infections na nakuha from a hospital, okay? So, Acinetobacter baumannii, oh my God, correct spelling ba ni? Oh yeah, I think wrong ang spelling. But anyway, most of the common species niya, Acinetobacter baumannii. So again, what is interesting about Acinetobacter? It resists decolorization, di ba? As you can see, it resists decolorization, but its gram reaction is really gram-negative. Okay, but some cells can resist decolorization. Therefore, dili siya ma-decolorize, ma-maintain niyang crystal violet, therefore, ma-appear siya as gram-positive. Okay, now, ang ano magunani, I'll let you see sa next picture. And because of its shape, because of its Coccobacilli, and its gram-negative pag yun, it can be mistaken as Neisseria spp. Because again, it's quite cocci-yahang shape, Coccobacilli, but it's gram-negative, and then because of its shape, pwede siya ma-mistaken as Neisseria spp. But again, once you be trained bacteriologist na gyud, dili na gyud mo ma-fool ana because sa biochemical testing lahi na ang mga reactions. Okay? All right. So here's an example of a blood culture. Ayan. So this is, as you can see, di ba? Murag if ikaw makakita ka na nay duha ka types of bacteria, gram-positive and gram-negative. But then again, it's just one because that's only Acinetobacter. Ayan, dili na mo apply ang ato ang gi-mention ganina na mo resist siya decolorization. Therefore, pwede siyang mo appear as gram-positive. So, unsa importance ana, pwedeng ma-interpret na siya sa medical technologist if wala siya kabalo na Acinetobacter to, na mixed culture iyahang specimen, where in fact, usara gyud siya, di ba? It's only Acinetobacter and dili siya mixed. Because again, has a tendency to resist decolorization. And as you can see, di ba, kaning mga pink, muna yung true gram reaction, gram-negative gyud siya. And as you can see, di ba, mura siya cocci, pero elongated, kaget siya mo sa point. So, mura siya Neisseria. Because again, your Neisseria are diplococci, meaning cocci siya in pairs. Okay? Alright, so that's Acinetobacter. Very interesting. I love this organism also. Alright, okay. But what you need to remember about Acinetobacter, it resists decolorization, making it appear as gram-positive, pero gram-negative gyud siya. And it also, because of its shape, it can be mistaken as Neisseria spp. Okay, alright. Next, you have Legionella and Bordetella. Now, for Legionella and Bordetella, nothing special lang, pero ang difference lang is, ang counterstain, di ba, unsay counterstain nato sa gram staining, it's safranin. But this time, because of their special characteristics, ato i-change lang counterstain. Okay? Instead of safranin, for Legionella, we will use 0.1% fuchsin. Okay? So that's still color red. And for Bordetella, mugamit tag safranin pero 2 minutes na siya, or 0.2% aqueous basic fuchsin. So please take note, for Legionella, to enhance its visualization, i-change na ang counter stain from safranin to 0.1% fuchsin. And for Bordetella SPP, it's either mugamit tag safranin O for 2 minutes, ato'y per long, or mugamit tag another counter stain, this time it's 0.2% aqueous basic fuchsin. Okay, alright. So that's the cases lang for Legionella and Bordetella. So for its biochemical reactions, same with Acinetobacter, sa lecture na lagay na further, okay? But Legionella, causative of your Legionnaire's disease, right? Bordetella pertussis, whooping cough, okay? Alright. Next, you have Paracoccus yei. Okay, about saan ako pag-pronounce siya? Yei or yei? So it's Paracoccus yei. Don't be fooled by the name coccus because it's a gram-negative bacilli. Coco bacilli pa rin. So, daghan kayong mga coco bacilli usually, guys, and I'm not well-versed nila. Medyo lisod siya identify under the microscope. Pero basta gani, dili siya bacilli, di po siya coccus o cocci. It could be coco bacilli. It's a mix of the two. Okay? Ang interesting lang ni Paracoccus yei, kaya naa siya characteristic O appearance or donut-shaped. Mura siya, actually, here's a picture. Mura siya RBCs, right? Ayan. So, again, if you're not trained enough, pwede mo siya ma-mistaken as RBCs. But actually, these are organism, or this is a bacteria, and that is Paracoccus yei. But again, gram staining appearance niya, O appearance or donut-shaped, okay, organism. Ayan. So that's Paracoccus yei. Alright? Okay. Okay. And last one, it's Bifidobacterium SPP. As you can see, di ba, Bifidobacterium, appear siya sa atong makbilangaw, BEP. That's the letter B sa last sa BEP. Di ba? Bifidobacterium, that's a gram-positive anaerobic diphtheroid. Meaning, iyahang shape is same-same sa mga Corynebacterium diphtheriae na mura siya Chinese characters. Kailan naman Chinese characters? Basta mura siya pleomorphic na mag-overlap or mag-palisades, magtapad. Okay? So again, it's Bifidobacterium, branching curved rods that terminate in clubs or thick bifurcated basta ends. Mura siya dog bones. Ayan. Dog bones appearance, under gram staining, under gram staining, you have Bifidobacterium. And here's an example, di ba? Mura siya dog bones daw. Yeah, mura siya dog bone, I think. Wala pa ko kitang dog bone. Sorry, char lang. Pero yeah, mura siya dog bone. Again, this is anaerobic. So family na siya Clostridium, kana sila. Mga anaerobic bacteria. Again, they don't need oxygen. So again, that's for Bifidobacterium. Dog bones, thick ends, thick bifurcated ends. Ayan. So again, these are just additional na mga, kagaw. So additional info lang. Because I've discovered this sa review center, sa review. Usually nakuha na ko ni from Bailey and Scott's. Okay, so ako na siyang i-introduce daan ninyo para in the future, if mag-review na mo for boards, mag-gloss over ninyo ni mga inani na kagaw, you'll already know. Okay, if na yung mga case studies in the future, sa inyong lecture ba or what, na ang kanyang gihatag, then kabulo na mo. Basta please take note lang of the special characteristics. Acinetobacter, as I've mentioned, resist decolorization, making it appear as gram-positive. Pero unsa yung true gram-stain reaction? Gram-neg. Okay, gram-negative siya. Coco bacilli na gram-neg, that's why, because of its shape, pwede siya ma-mistaken as Neisseria SPP. Legionella and Bordetella, okay, nothing special. Ato nang i-change ang counter stain. For Legionella, sa itong counter stain, instead of safranin, we use 0.1% fuchsin. And for Bordetella, it's either mugamit tag safranin for 2 minutes or 0.2% aqueous basic fuchsin. Alright. Next, you have Paracoccus yei. You have gram stain appearance O-shaped or donut-shaped appearance. And last, Bifidobacterium, thick bifurcated ends, which resemble dog bones. Ayan. Okay. Alright. So that's it for gram staining. Again, additional lang ni siya. Pampachar. Okay. So I do hope na may nasabtan sa gram staining. Again, it's quite a review na. Kaya na-mention na sa Intro to Micro. So yeah, I'll see you now on the next lecture. Bye. Bye.